China's space program, ambitions, achievements, and geopolitical implications. Let's understand how China is becoming a threat to the hegemony of the United States even in space. The early years, 1950s-1970s. China's space program began in the late 1950s, around the same time as the US and Soviet space programs. The Chinese program was initially focused on developing ballistic missiles but quickly expanded its ambitions to include space exploration. The first significant milestone came in 1970 when China successfully launched its first satellite, Dongfang Hong-1, aboard a Long March 1 rocket. The modern era, 1990s-2000s. China's space program took a significant leap in the 1990s and 2000s, with the successful launch of various satellites for communication, weather monitoring, and Earth observation. In 2003, China became the third country to send a human into space with the Shenzhou 5 mission, piloted by Yang Liwei. Lunar Missions. How many times has China been to the moon? China has been increasingly focused on lunar exploration. The Change program, named after the Chinese moon goddess, has been the cornerstone of these efforts. Change 1, 2007, orbited the moon to create a 3D map of the lunar surface. Change 2, 2010, another orbiter, but with improved technology. Change 3, 2013, achieved the first soft landing on the moon since 1976 and deployed the U-2 rover. Change 4, 2019, made the first ever landing on the moon's far side and deployed the U-2 rover. Change 5, 2020, successfully collected lunar samples and returned them to Earth. So, China has had 5 major missions to the moon, with 2 successful landings and 1 sample return mission. Geopolitical context, China versus USA. China's space ambitions have not gone unnoticed by the United States. The US has restrictions on space cooperation with China, citing national security concerns. The 2011 Wolf Amendment prohibits NASA and the White House Office of Science and Technology Policy, OSP, from engaging in bilateral agreements and coordination with China. This has led to a sort of space race atmosphere, albeit less intense than the US-Soviet rivalry during the Cold War. China's advancements in space technology, including plans for a modular space station and potential crewed missions to the Moon and Mars, are often viewed through the lens of geopolitical competition. Rumors and speculations. There are various rumors and speculations about China's intentions in space, especially concerning the Moon and other celestial bodies. Some of these include resource extraction. There's speculation that China aims to mine the Moon for valuable resources like helium-3. Military applications. Given the dual-use nature of space technology, there are concerns about the potential militarization of space assets. Global dominance. China's ambitious space program is sometimes seen as a part of its broader strategy for global leadership. Conclusion. China's space program has come a long way since its inception, achieving significant milestones that have made it a major player in space exploration. The program has also become a point of geopolitical tension, particularly with the United States. As China continues to reach for the stars and the Moon, its actions will undoubtedly have a profound impact on the future of international space exploration and geopolitics. What sets apart the context involving the United States and China from the period known as the Cold War, which involved Russia and also the United States? Leave your opinions in the comments. We want to hear from you. Would it be the more distant possibility of using nuclear weapons? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.